Here is our full tutorial of Microsoft Excel. We are going to learn how to use Excel to calculate. In Excel, we are going to start by learning how to fit these names. So we shall come here on our column, then we shall drag our cursor to the right so that it can fit. We can also come here on mathematics. We scroll and it will fit. And also come here and scroll, it will fit. So in Excel, we also have sheets. Sheets is where we do our calculations from. So we have the sheet one, which is having our information where we are going to calculate. And also we have this sheet 2, which is an empty sheet that has rows and columns. So you can also give a sheet a name. I'm going to call it max of students. Yeah, I've given it a name. So also we are going to start by calculating the sum or the total number of students in the whole class. Or we are going to calculate the total marks of each student in the class. So we shall press equals sum, then open parentheses, then we shall come and select English, then we close parentheses, then here we shall press enter to get here is the total of students, the total marks of students they scored in the English subject. So we can auto scroll. The sum will be automatically added because in Excel formulas are applied in every column. If you auto scroll, a formula is applied automatically on the cell where you want to calculate that particular calculation. So after finding our sum or our total mark of every student, we shall also come and we want to find the average every student had in their marks or average of the performance in the English subject. So I will come here, down here, press equals average, I open parentheses, then I come and scroll and select this, then I'll close parentheses, then I'll press enter. Here we have got our average of those students that got 80 in English. Their average is 80. So we can also get the average of these other subjects by not again applying the same formula here, but we just auto scroll, we drag our formula in the whole column, the formula will be applied and we shall get the average of every student in the class or in every subject, the average that you got. So after getting the average, you can also get the highest mark. Here we shall come and press equals equals max, open parentheses, then we shall select this column, then we shall close parentheses. Here would have pressing enter. Here this is the highest score in the class of English. So we shall come and auto scroll to have the highest score in all the classes or in all the subjects of our students. So if you want to get the lowest mark the students perform in our class, so we shall press equals mean when parentheses, then we shall select this column, then we shall close parentheses, then press enter. The, the lowest mark the students got in the English was 65, so we can also get the lowest mark the students got in other subjects. We shall also auto scroll our our formula in other subjects, and we would have got the marks of all students in our class. Here we have been able to calculate the sum of our students, each student, the marks they got in every subject. We have got the average of every subject. We have got the highest mark as 70. We have got the mean mark or the lowest mark as depending on the different subjects. So we can also calculate the number of students. In case you find yourself, you have big, big, big numbers of students. You are not going to just count these numbers because you see in this first cell, you are going to see that we have this this one is starting where we have the headings, where we have the student name, the class, English, mathematics, science, and the social studies. So we can't just use these numbers, so we shall use the count a. If we shall press equals count a, we shall open parentheses, then we shall come and select uh, this column, then we shall close parentheses, then press enter. Here we have got the number of students that attempted these different subjects. So that's how we calculate our our number of students in class, because you can't just count. Even if you find yourself like you have a big number of class like 2,000 students, you want to know their numbers but you don't know, you can just use a formula that we have shared. Also we can create a table. We highlight our text, then we shall press Ctrl T, then we shall press OK. We will make sure this heading is ticked. My table has headers. Then we shall have a beautiful table like this one. If you're a beginner and you want to learn more tutorials like this one, please subscribe and keep updated. And if you have found this video helpful to you, you can share it to a friend to learn also Excel like you. Thank you.